music, get into it, won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it, you can do it, won't you dance with me?
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm super excited for. It's actually sponsored by Hush, so thank you Hush so much for sending me these wonderful makeup products. I'm super excited to show them to you all. So Hush really came through and I got a giant box here full of eyeshadow and highlighter palettes. So if you're interested in seeing these palettes, then keep on watching. So when you first get your package, this is how they are packaged. It just comes in this little bubble wrap thing, so I'm gonna slide that off, and then it comes obviously in the package. I've already opened it because these things were really hard to open, and I was like, I know once I start filming I'm not gonna be able to open any of them, so I just have them all pre-opened. This is the first one that I have. It's the Unicorn Glow Highlight Collection, and this is by the brand Face Candy. When I open it up, they all come with a little plastic slip in them, so that's great that they have that. Looking in, you guys can see yourself, but there is a nice size mirror in here, which is really nice. I really enjoy that. You can really see yourself when you're doing makeup, which is perfect for bringing this like on the go and stuff like that. So in here you can obviously see there's 6 different shades. Next we have this one. This one is Rose or Rosé, not really sure. This is also a highlighter, and this is by Bad Habit. So once again, you get a little package like that, and then when you open it up, it has the big mirror again. Yes, you guys are sitting on a thing of popcorn right now because you're not high enough. Oops. But then you got 6 more shades of highlighter. I'll kind of compare the two. So you can see this one's more skin tonies and this one's more unicorn, like the title says it is. But I think both are really pretty. I'm actually going to swatch a few from each of these right now. Let's do Bubbly. Ooh, that's pretty. And then let's do Hashtag All Day, which is the pinkish one. Ooh, that's pretty too. You can really tell they're both shiny. And then let's do Shine for our last one, this one. Oh, that's really pretty. They're very creamy, very pretty, very vibrant. And the Unicorn palette, let's swatch Fantasy, which is this purpley shade. Oh, that's really pretty. And then let's do Enchanted, which is kind of orangey toned. Oh, that's really pretty too. You can definitely see the difference. And then Celestile, I think I'm saying that right, which is the bluish one. Oh, that's really pretty. And then just for fun, let's do Wonder. It's kind of a green toned. Oh, that's really pretty. Very pretty highlighters. Very pretty. Those were the 2 highlighter palettes that I got. I think they're both really pigmented, really creamy. Would highly recommend. Next we have Retro Love. This is a 14 color collection eyeshadow palette. This one is actually supposed to be a dupe for Subculture by Anastasia Beverly Hills, which here's what it looks like on the inside. It's got the nice mirror, which I really like. I haven't touched any of these yet, so let's just go in and swatch a few. Let's do Icon, which is this sparkly color right here. Ooh, this is very creamy too. Nostalgia, which is kind of a purpley color. Ooh, these feel so nice. They're so creamy and they're so pigmented. And then just for fun, let's do Free People, which is kind of this more navy-ish dark color. Oh, that's really pretty too. All super duper pigmented, very pretty. Next we have Aurora. This is a 14th collection eyeshadow palette, and it's said to be a dupe for Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism eyeshadow palette. So when we open it up, it's got the mirror again, and this is what it looks like. Let's swatch Energy. That's good, they all stayed in. I dropped it and they all stayed in, not even any fallout. That's a good eyeshadow palette. Okay, Energy, this bright yellow color. Ecstasy, which is this turquoisey kind of glittery color. Ooh. And then let's do Destiny, which is this purpley glitter color. Next we have Athena, which is an 18 color eyeshadow palette. This one is supposed to be a dupe for Desert's Dusk. So let's open it up. Ooh. Oh man, I don't even know which ones I want to swatch in this one. Let's do Lore. It's like this orangey color. These are all so creamy and nice. And for being so cheap, like this is good quality makeup right here. Now let's do Gleam, which is this one right here. So nice and shimmery. And then for the last one, let's do Darling, which is right here. Ooh. Moving on, we have Royals, which is a 14 color eyeshadow palette. This one's supposed to be a dupe for Anastasia's Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. So let's open it up. Ooh. Let's see here. Let's swatch Honor, which is this shade right here. Oh, these feel so nice, you guys. I'm being completely honest right now. They feel so nice. And then let's do Queen, which is this one in the top corner. Super nice. And then let's do Primrose, which is this one right here. These are so pigmented. This one kind of got a little messy. Sorry about that. This one is called Atlantis, and it's a 12 color eyeshadow palette. And ooh, so pretty. Lots of green, lots of blues. I love it. Personally, I don't think I would ever use this palette just because I'm more of a neutral, kind of reddish, pinkish toned eyeshadow wearing person. But this is really, really pretty. Let's swatch Tsunami, which is this glittery, I cannot talk. Whenever I film, I feel like I just cannot say words right. Oh, that's really pretty and pigmented. Next, let's do Poseidon, which is this one right here. Oh my god, you guys. Let's do Swell, this one. You guys. Okay, let's just keep going. Tidal, let's do that one. It's like a light bluish color. Look how pigmented those are. Okay, I need to do one more. Let's do Vanished. This one right here on my thumb. This is crazy. Oh my god, these are so pigmented. I want to say thank you to Hush one last time. I'll have their website linked down below, and they also have an app in the app store, so you should go check that out. They have a lot of nice affordable makeup on there, and I would highly recommend you go and check it out. Just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. My legs, you guys. Oh my god. Swatches for days. Let me tell you.
And don't you stop the music, get into it, won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it, you can do it, won't you dance with me?